YUTO is the leading provider of superior packaging solutions and services. Let's unbox what that means. We boast over 50 manufacturing centers and 5 service centers across the globe.
We are committed to innovation with in-house R&D, focusing on material, design, and equipment.
Our experts explore and produce new materials, which our designers use to rethink the possibilities of packaging design, packaging that is then manufactured by our state-of-the-art equipment developed in-house.
Smart manufacturing is one of our core operational strategies. It enables us to meet our clients' cutting-edge needs with high quality and efficiency.
Our smart factories are data-driven at every stage. This data provides real-time insights that improve quality, increase efficiency, reduce costs, and streamline inventory. Our smart factories are highly automated, with unmanned operations delivering consistent stability. We manufacture an integrated, comprehensive suite of solutions for all our clients' packaging needs. From packaging for consumer electronics, to wine and spirits, to food, to personal care, healthcare, and more. Alongside our expanding YUTO Infinity business, YUTO is everywhere you go.
YUTO prioritizes sustainability. We are planning to achieve carbon neutrality by 2040.
Our eco-friendly products and raw materials support sustainable forestry and conservation of biodiversity. Innovation in design and production also helps minimize environmental impact. We take climate change and resource management seriously, ensuring waste is well managed and carbon emissions are reduced. YUTO has built over a dozen solar power stations with more to come. 30% of the company's operational power already comes from renewable sources. Our emphasis on R&D and sustainability means we're committed to getting our printing and packaging products into the hands of delighted end users all over the world and exceeding the expectations of our clients and the market. We are YUTO.